Hello, fellow participants. This is Frank speaking from the Audium College North. I wanted to show you another kind of application that we can use to make instructional videos in combination with questions and other kind of tools. If you go to Lesson Up and you go there, and I can also put it in English. I'm a teacher, and I can sign in with my Google account. This is a kind of tool that's very easy to use to make instruction videos in combination with questions. For example, I go to care and welfare. I made this one. I'm gonna make it again. This is a YouTube film, and these are questions. If I put on, I can put a slide in, a YouTube film. This is a picture. I can put a whole website in this square, a PowerPoint presentation, also a Google map, and these are questions. A quiz question. This is a word spin, an open question, but also a picture question. All can be put in like a PowerPoint presentation. This is then the first sheet. Well, I made part of this YouTube picture I used, so you can just easily cut it up in this program. Here you can put the start time and the ending time, and if I share this with a kind of pupil, and here are classes, and I shared with my daughter, and I push this. I already did that. Then on her side it shows she can see this, and if I push on this one, this is what she sees in on her iPad, and this is the first part. This is a movie. I ask which kind of cloth you use for which kind of purpose, and she goes to the next one. On the iPad you've got the squares here very big beneath the video. So this is also a part of the use of So here I'm telling what you can do with the green cloth, the blue-green cloth. Now you can clean tables, and you can clean the kitchen with it. And then after that they get this kind of question. What can you clean with a green towel? Well, it's also possible to put here a kind of speaker, and you can speak in this question, and hopefully later on there's gonna be speakers here as well, so the students that have troubles with reading can push that speakers and you can hear the question by itself. Well, this is like what you can clean with a green towel, and tables and chairs, the floor, the toilet and the sink. Well, this is the good, this is wrong, and this is good. Next question about the green cloth, and after this they're gonna get a question as well. So this is something in development. Hopefully in the end of the year the tool is finished, and it's hopefully then it's also useful for the lower development groups. So it's still in development, but it's very interesting and a very nice tool to work with.